What if I told you that rejection isn't something to fear? What if it's actually one of the most powerful tools you can use to get what you want? Whether you're negotiating a deal, navigating a relationship, or just trying to get someone's attention, rejection can be the secret weapon in your arsenal. Stick around, because today we're diving into the 5 game-changing ways you can use rejection to your advantage with the power of reverse psychology. Trust me, after this, you'll never see rejection the same way again. You'll want to watch this till the end, because I'm about to show you how turning someone away could be the smartest move you make. Let's dive in. 1. Rejection creates curiosity. Rejection can spark curiosity in the other person, making them wonder why you said no or didn't respond the way they expected. By rejecting an offer, invitation, or request, you can trigger the urge to prove themselves worthy or change their approach. For example, when you turn down someone's offer but subtly hint that they could try again under different circumstances, you prompt them to reflect on what they need to do to win you over. 2. Leveraging the push-pull. Dynamic reverse psychology thrives on the concept of pushing and pulling. By subtly rejecting someone or something, you create a push-pull dynamic, making them want to pursue you more. When you don't immediately give in to someone's requests, it forces them to work harder to gain your approval or attention, which can be a more powerful motivator than simply giving in. 3. Challenge the other person's ego. Rejection can be used to challenge someone's ego in a way that motivates them to prove you wrong. If you reject their offer or suggestion in a tactful way, they might see it as a challenge to change your mind. They will often go the extra mile to demonstrate their worth or improve their argument to get the outcome they desire. 4. Create a sense of scarcity. Rejection can make what you're offering or asking for seem more exclusive or rare. When people feel like something is scarce or out of reach, they tend to value it more. If you reject someone's advances or requests in a polite but firm way, it can cause them to view you or your time as more precious, increasing their desire for your approval or attention. 5. Rejection as a test of worthiness. Using rejection strategically can make people work harder to prove their value. When someone faces rejection, they often feel compelled to either change their behavior or offer something of greater value to earn acceptance. In romantic relationships, business dealings, or social situations, rejecting someone can create a situation where they strive to be more appealing, valuable, or worthy of your attention. 6. Rejection enhances value. Perception. When you reject something, it can make it seem more valuable. People tend to place a higher value on things they perceive as difficult to obtain or inaccessible. If you reject an offer or person, it may lead them to reassess and consider how important it actually is to win you over, thus increasing the perceived value of what you're offering. 7. Rejection can strengthen emotional investment. By rejecting someone initially, you create a situation where they may feel compelled to put more emotional effort into changing your mind. This emotional investment can work to your advantage in negotiations, relationships, or any situation where you want someone to prove their commitment. It triggers the desire to win and secure your approval. 8. Make the person work harder for your attention. Rejection can drive someone to work harder to gain your attention or affection. If they are initially rejected, it might push them to show more effort, give more thoughtful responses, or go above and beyond in their actions. This can ultimately benefit you, as their increased efforts lead to better results or behavior toward you. 9. Create space for reflection and growth. Rejection, when done carefully, can provide someone the time and space to reflect on their own behavior, ideas, or strategies. This reflection can lead to personal growth and improved behavior, making them more appealing or effective when they come back. When used wisely, you can encourage better interactions in the future by giving people the space to learn from their rejection. 10. Rejection can push for better quality. When you reject something, it can signal to others that you are not easily satisfied or impressed, which can inspire them to offer something of higher quality. Whether it's a business proposal, a product, or an interaction, rejecting something that doesn't meet your standards encourages others to raise the bar and bring their best game to the table. So next time rejection comes your way, remember, it's not the end of the story. It's your chance to take control, spark curiosity, and get exactly what you want. Master the art of reverse psychology and watch the power shift in your favor. Thanks for watching. Now go out there and make rejection work for you. Ready to level up your game? If you're ready to turn every no into a yes, hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more powerful tricks.